This is my new favorite LED video light. It's the Zhiyun Molus 60. It's a 60-watt chip-on-board style light. And don't let its small size fool you. This thing packs a punch. It comes with this mini reflector, which really just intensifies the light output, and this silicone diffusion dome. The combo kit also comes with this really high-quality Bowens mount adapter. In a second, I'll show you how I use this adapter to attach large softboxes to this teeny light. You also get this mini softbox where, in a pinch, it definitely does a decent job diffusing the light. It definitely diffuses it more than the soft silicone diffuser. But for me, I still prefer using a larger softbox. You also get this honeycomb grid, this egg crate, which velcros in here. This egg crate helps to kind of narrow the beam of the light and reduce spill. And they're not going to leave you hanging without power. You also get an AC power adapter. But for me, traveling light is what it's all about, and I could care less about that bulky AC power adapter. Another reason I'm so in love with this light is the fact you can power it with a USB-C power source. But keep in mind, to get the full 100% output of the light, your USB power source has to be a minimum of 100 watts. Because this baby is USB powered, don't think you have to be tethered to a wall socket. No. It'll also run off a USB battery pack, which makes lighting in remote locations totally doable. And for all you specs junkies, let's actually define how small is small. This thing comes in at about 3 3/8 by 2 5/8 by about 2 1/2. And no, I'm not going to keep you hanging about its weight. It weighs in at an impressive 300 grams. If there's a smaller, more powerful light out there, I haven't found it. There's really just 3 controls: the power button, a dimmer, and if you push the dimmer, it defaults to 50%, 100%, and then back to 0. Your other control is the color temperature. And it cycles from a very warm 2700 to 5500 to a super cool 6500 Kelvin. And of course, you can manually adjust the dimmer to just the right intensity. As you can imagine, if you're rocking this baby at 100%, it definitely does heat up. But don't worry about it, because there is an interior fan that does kick on when it needs to cool the light down. And thankfully, the fan is not very loud. Now, I've been a video pro for over 30 years, and I've always been on the hunt for really good and really small lighting equipment, because I travel a lot. And the Zhiyun Molus 60 checks all the boxes. And using Zhiyun's Bowens mount adapter, I'm able to throw a bunch of full-size soft boxes on this little powerhouse of a light and use this as my key light, which is absolutely incredible. And this Bowens mount is very sturdy, and it attaches right on a light stand. Here's some footage from a recent shoot where I was recording a lot of talking head interviews. And this Molus 60 performed like a champ. Even punching through this 2x2 softbox, I never had to dial it up to 100% intensity. The super compact lighting rock star, the Zhiyun Molus 60, has earned a permanent place in my camera bag and has made my mission of traveling lighter and traveling smarter so much easier. For any pro creators, I highly recommend the Zhiyun Molus 60 combo kit.